ZANU-PF, the depending factional wars, have claimed yet another casualty after Chirumanzu District Coordinating Committee DCC member Aaron Rodzi was expelled from the ruling party. Sabena mashikubuda panguva ino yachinokanzi aiwa maedzi emutungamiri wenyika paSodamso Mnangagwa, they are now holding each other's throats. They are now fighting at each other. Zvinozoratidza kuti factional wars, they are deepening. Don't be subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timina naumumbai kwamchenzi Rodzi, who received his dismissal letter from the local DCC, is the brother of the late Christopher Butono Rodzi, who was married to tourism and hospitality industry minister Barbara Rodzi. Insiders say tensions between Aaron and Barbara's political camp had been simmering for years after Mutono's death, with hostilities eventually spilling into party structures in the Midlands province. Christopher Mutono Rodzi, a retired soldier, died in June 2024 in a mysterious car accident while traveling from Gutu to Harare. His Toyota Prado reportedly broke through the barriers of a bridge between Chifu and Harare before plunging into a dry riverbed and overturning. Within the ZANU-PF, Barbara is regarded as a powerful mnangagwa loyalist who has helped consolidate his influence in the Midlands, the presidency's traditional stronghold. Aaron Rodzi expulsion is widely seen as a part of this broader page, a calculated move to silence voices perceived as either hostile or aligned to rival factions. Factional struggles within ZANU-PF have been intensifying as the ruling party moves closer to a potentially decisive congress due in Mutare next month. President Mnangagwa's controversial push to extend his stay in office beyond 2028 has faced stiff resistance from Vice President Zanu-PF's camp, creating a tense climate of suspicion, fakes, and realignments. Ndo mashwaripo panguva ine tuna maloyalist emutungamiri wenyika achifighter against each other. Comment section medu mafumuro enyu motode pamusoro pechituko ichi. Comment section medu, subscribe or like, set on the bell icon.